Hey people, I really have to say this, yeah. Whether or not someone watches my videos, there are these 10 people in my among the 463 people that I have on my subscribers list. So 10 people are kind enough to watch my videos, like no matter what. So heartfelt thank you to y'all, yeah. This it really means so much to me, and I think I know all 10 of them. No, actually I don't, but it just feels so special. So, I mean, now that this lockdown has happened, my life is pretty busy. I'm sure same with you all because it's like we are trying to catch up on things that we've not been doing for a long time, right? And there's lots of catching up to do. So yeah, I do this ebook writing thing, but with regard to sometimes these old movies, also old movies, as in there was this movie called Oh My Friend, that had Hansika Motwani, Shruti Hassan, and Siddharth, and Navdeep, that actor. So here, that movie, it's about the basic premise of the film is whether a girl boy friendship can stand the test of time. So it's a very the premise is very interesting, and the casting is quite you couldn't have got a better star cast. But here, with regard to the comedy track and all, it's important not to insult the intelligence of the audience. Yeah, I mean, like I mean, that's what probably that's I don't want to insult intelligence with these videos of mine, but if you were to watch that movie, that's the thing about you look forward to a movie for it to be believable, but the situations are so outlandish that you have to like stretch your imagination to make it work, so that is my only grouse against the film. But I think on the whole, uh, though the lead character is supposed to be like, Siddharth is he's a guitarist and all, the music of the film isn't all that great, and music is really important, yeah, and especially in regional cinema, or in fact even Hindi cinema. So yeah, but on the whole, Oh My Friend is a film that you can watch when you have, oh my god, lots of time. So anyway, but I'm honest in all my reviews. Yeah, I can't give a glowing review if I don't think but it's an interesting casting that I can say. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.